Bengali restaurant Babu Culture is now open at Sodepur Panihati College. Come and order our delicious food now. We serve the best food with the most delicious taste. If you are looking for something different and special to try, then Babu's is the right food place to go. Come to Bengali restaurant Babu Culture for great Indian food and service. You will be definitely pleased with our special daily lunch buffet and also delicious North Indian dishes. Our chefs are able to prepare your favorite food like kebabs, seekh kebabs, dal curry, curd rice and more. We was creating this restaurant Babu Culture Sodepur Panihati College and I came to know about this beautiful place for lunch during weekends. I visited yesterday and I noticed the ambience was perfect. The food quality was excellent, fresh, tasty and amazing. It was a great experience. If you love delicious food, then this restaurant is for you. This place is specially designed for people who want to enjoy delicious lunch with their family or friends. Would love to visit again. Amazing food and ambience, love the place and we will be coming back for sure.